Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Juke and Nissan GTR. These two vehicles, both from Nissan, represent vastly different automotive philosophies. The Juke is a stylish and practical compact crossover, perfect for navigating city streets and everyday adventures. In contrast, the GTR is a legendary sports car, engineered for breathtaking speed and an unparalleled driving experience on the track or open road. Let's dive into what makes each of them unique. When it comes to performance, these vehicles are in entirely different leagues. The Nissan Juke, designed for efficiency and urban agility, typically features a 1.0-liter engine producing around 114 horsepower. This provides ample power for daily commutes and comfortable cruising. On the other hand, the Nissan GTR is a true powerhouse. Its 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine delivers a staggering 565 horsepower, allowing it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.9 seconds. For even more thrill, the Nismo variant pushes this to 600 horsepower. Beyond raw power, practicality and design set these two apart. The Nissan Juke, with its 5-person seating and versatile cargo area of up to 422 liters, excels as a family-friendly crossover. Its elevated driving position and compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver and park. The GTR, however, is a sleek two-door sports coupe, designed with performance aesthetics in mind. It offers seating for 4, though the rear seats are best for smaller passengers, and its trunk provides about 8.8 cubic feet of space, enough for a weekend bag or two. Finally, let's consider cost and overall value. The Nissan Juke is an affordable option, with new models generally starting around $30,000, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a reliable and stylish daily driver. The Nissan GTR, a high-performance machine, commands a significantly higher price, often starting at over $120,000, with specialized versions costing even more. Your choice ultimately depends on your priorities: practicality and economy with the Juke, or unparalleled speed and driving excitement with the GTR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.